Now we'll talk about self-description test. Self-description test is meant to find out how well you know yourself. How do you come to know about yourself? First and foremost, you come to know about yourself from the environment. Environment consists of who all? First and foremost, your parents, then your teachers, then you come to your friends, and finally you yourself. There's no person who is better than you who knows about yourself. Even if your parents, they know only part of you, because something which inside you would never like to reveal, something to your parents also, which you know it will be not in their liking or probably not in their interest. So you are trying to put only, say, part of your personality to different people in the society. And finally, you would like to improve upon certain quality which you find it is necessary for success in life, or for probably becoming a good human. That's also part of it. None of us, we are not God. We as human are supposed to be human and will remain human. So if humans are there, we would have certain good qualities and we would also have certain not so good qualities. Aim is to know my strength and my weakness from the environment, use my strength to go further in my life, and try to correct my mistakes to the extent that I can without harming others or harming the society. That is what the total aim. So aim, SDT, that's because this is also called self-description test. As I said, over and above the 15 qualities, it is insight, that is how well you know yourself, is another quality which every assessor has to comment upon. Besides, he also has to comment upon your how well are you motivated to join services. That is called motivation. So the first thing is that you must write the strength and weaknesses which all these people, that the parents, teachers, friends, and you yourself think about yourself, and also bring out your not so good qualities. But the problem is in SDT very simple. Anything negative you write about your qualities in your SDT, I take it as a Kabulnama. Kabulnama means you accept, just you go into the witness box in a judge and you accept, I have done a mistake, and that he accepted, you no questions are asked. Similarly, if you write some weaknesses in SDT, I don't have to show proof anywhere. It says they accept, saying that he or she has herself accepted this is my weakness. As a result, now, ideally, you should really know your weaknesses and tell everyone this is my strength and this is my weaknesses. But on a caution point of view, as since you are going to candidate, you don't want your very grave weakness, even if you know, to be projected, to be shown to others. If that is the case, if I'm going to say, what is the point? If I'm the assessor, let me assess what is your grave fracture in your personality or great weaknesses in your personality. So the weaknesses that you write down should not be that severe, which is going to be problematic in your selection. If you write it, you are giving me opportunity to reject you. So my problem is, yes, you must write your weaknesses, but those are slightly of the lesser degree, which is not going to affect your selection process. Yeah, that's otherwise. If you tell me I'm a bad candidate, I do this thief, I have a committed theft, that's a gone. Why should I select you? Even if you have done that, well, let me have that competence to accept the find out what you are. Okay, read what you have written. Read the first statement, parents.
Opinion of parents. My parents always support me. They never force me to do anything, but gives me suggestions and advices. They believe in me for what I am. They always entrust me with small and big tasks as they believe I will not let them down. They ask for my opinion and suggestions whenever something related to my family is concerned. We always try to spend time together in planned trips or at home.
Okay, you have written all strengths around the except for what it said. They never let me do anything but give me suggestion and advice. Okay,
Sure.
just a second. I'll. Okay. So now you tell me. Now you things give me suggestion. They me suggestion and advice. They believe in me. So they never have let me do anything. So is it a
They
quality?
never force me to do anything.
So what does it mean? Okay. Notwithstanding the same, write on some, there must be some, first and foremost, irrespective of what you've written, that's fair enough, it can go through. Please analyze yourself and be honest to write on what are good qualities which they feel and with require. That is for your own improvement. Test aside, please rewrite yourself because you have not been honest enough to writing this. You have written from the test point of view. Okay. You have been dishonest in writing this. I'm pretty sure about it. So now become honest in writing what are your good quality which your parents feel and what not so good quality which your parents feel about it. Send it to me. Then we'll come back onto the corrective mode. Right?
Yes, sir.
Read the next one.
Opinion of friends. I have a very good friend circle. I am known to be an amiable person. They all appreciate me for my never giving up attitude. They also appreciate for my belief that anything is possible with hard work and persistent work. I never let any of my friends give up in between, and they never let me do so. They feels I am trustworthy, hence shares their joy and sorrows with me. I ask for help whenever needed, and they also do the same.
Okay, fair enough. Now, what is again? Your total all positivity. Nothing beyond that. Nothing beyond that. There will be certain not so good quality as well. So I just say I want you to honest. Try and do the next one. Okay. Okay. Read the next one. Opinion of teacher.
Opinion of teachers. My teachers opine me to be a disciplined and punctual student. As I am regular and consistent in my studies and co-curricular activities, my teachers always support me in all my activities. They appreciate me for my lively character. They always appreciate for my ability to be a part of a group and to act alone effectively. They consider me to be a person who respects her senior and love juniors.
Okay. Question marks come to play. We will not talk about. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. So now then read the next one.
Opinion on self. I am very hardworking and never giving up with my work. As an NCC C certificate holder, I am adventurous, cooperative, and dependable. I believe in my potential that I can handle any situation. I am a person who never miss a chance to help someone in need. I keep myself motivated by physical activities and by prayer and meditation. I am an optimistic person who enjoys every second of my
No.
life to the fullest.
Okay. Here the question mark. I keep myself motivated by physical activities and prayers. That gives no doubt here. This is the problem. Prayers and motivation. These things are not for us. Services. We've got a religion of the troops is my religion. Okay, so you'd have to keep it aside. Don't keep it aside. This is the way. Next, read how to what I want to be a.
How I want to improve. I want to be a successful person with my hard work. I want to improve my confidence level as strong as a rock. I want to improve my physical stamina by undergoing vigorous exercises and want to improve my knowledge and vocabulary by increasing my reading capacity. I want to improve my communication skills and in short, I want to bring out the best out of my mind, body, and soul.
Okay, so as far as the SDT is concerned, it goes off well. I think you have written wrong, but you have not been honestly written your feedback. So give me your feedback. What you have got about yourself. Be honest to yourself and give it out. Okay. Then we'll discuss
Sure.
further. Okay, that is one. From the point of view of SSB, fair enough. I think you can, there is nothing wrong. Only thing, you should not write anything grave which goes against you. But you have try and include what is certain minor weaknesses also. Because you cannot afford to talk about only the minor weaknesses which does not affect your chance for your success. Okay.
Yes.
Any doubt? I think we have tried to complete almost we have taken a big step trying to analyze everything.